I'll be showing you the top customizable invoice apps for your Shopify store. And for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews, so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. Before I dive into it, I want to say if you want the ultimate no-code Shopify theme designed for any niche and packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features, saving you up to $1,548 per year on app subscriptions, look no further than Conversion King. It's my very own Shopify theme, and you can try it out completely free for 14 days, and I'll leave a link for it in the description below. First up, we have Order Printer Pro, which is going to make it really easy to create auto delivery of branded invoices, packing slips, return forms, and receipts. So it gives you professional paperwork pronto, allowing you to do things like reduce support requests. You can automatically deliver these docs before customers ask for them. And it's just a simple one-time setup, then you can enjoy full automation. This also allows you to streamline order management with things such as bulk printing and exporting. And it's going to let your branding shine, as you can really customize these templates and invoices from just adding a logo to complete customization. You can also import designs from Shopify's Order Printer and Order Printer templates. In terms of pricing, it's completely free to start for up to 50 orders per month, and paid plans start at $10 to $40, and at $40 you get unlimited orders a month. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars. This latest review here was from a merchant who has been using the app for almost 6 years, and the review is that this app is amazing with all the features they need. They've had it for a few years now and recently needed some help from the support team for the first time, and the support they got was unbelievable. Next up, we have Invoicify that lets you send automatic invoices. It makes it easy to select or create a template, and Invoicify is going to handle the rest. You can see an example here in that you can get pre-built templates and then customize them to your liking. You can also go and edit all the store details such as the name, the address, the zip code to make sure it's all accurate there. In terms of pricing, it's free for up to 5 invoices a month. It's also integrated with Shopify's tax setting, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of invoices, starting at $9.99 going up to $79.99. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4.6 stars with 68 5-star reviews, with the latest review from a merchant who has spent almost 6 years using the app, saying it's very quick and easy to use. They love having this app as an option for customers who need a formal invoice. Next up, we have Print Rooster order printing. So along with invoices and customizable templates, you can send out receipts, packing slips, and picking lists. It makes it easy to sort and filter orders, and you get unlimited templates here where you can create and customize them and say goodbye to data limitations. You can also do group printing and filter by shipping location, and you can include PDF invoices to customer emails. In terms of pricing, it's the free plan to start at 100 prints per month, and 2 order templates. Paid plans start at $9 going up to $99 a month. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with 16 5-star reviews, with the latest review saying it's a great app and it's been a game changer for their order fulfillment process. And the custom buttons allow for easy filtering and segmenting based on product variants, fulfillment location, and more. Lastly, we have Surfio Professional Invoices. So you can create beautiful invoices in all major languages. This allows you to build a consistent brand, so you can customize your documents to make the colors and fonts match your website and product packaging. It also understands local invoicing legislation, and you can embed your invoices in your store and emails, letting your customers download these invoices from their customer account pages. This also lets you take control of your invoice templates. In terms of pricing, it starts at $7 a month for 15 invoices, and it goes up to $129 a month for unlimited invoices. In terms of reviews, sitting at a almost perfect 4.9 stars with over 500 5-star reviews. Merchants highly praise this app for its exceptional customer support, intuitive interface, and extensive customization options. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with tons of other details, metrics, and analytics, so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts and many cost of goods sold options like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and ShipHero. It also comes with a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc. You can see it right here by its logo. I'll also leave a link for the app listing in the description below. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check it out. So this concludes the video here. If this helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below, coming up with new Shopify tutorials videos all the time. If you're also interested in my Shopify theme, there's a link in the description below that's packed with 20 plus conversion boosting features. And you can try it out for 14 days completely free. So again, there's a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.